Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Summer Wave's Elite 18-foot by 48-inch frame pool with pump and solution blend. Spend the hot summer cooling off by your Summer Wave's Elite 18-foot frame pool. This pool kit has everything you need to set up and maintain your pool, so you spend more time chilling in the water and less time buying accessories and supplies. The pool comes with a SFX1500 SkimmerPlus filter pump, pool cover, ladder, ground cloth, EZP, 20-pound bucket of pool care solution blend, and deluxe maintenance kit. Product benefits. Ready for water in as little as 60 minutes. Constructed of triple-layer polyester mesh and heavy-gauge PVC material with a rust-resistant, galvanized steel frame that stands up to heavy use. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.